How to add the Precipitation Weather Widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, we go down and then tap on Wallpaper Install. In here, tap on the left-hand side panel. Next, tap on the widget panel right here, just below the clock. Then from the list of widgets, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Weather. Here, tap on the Precipitation widget, and that will be added to your widget panel. After that, tap on the Done button, and then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press the side button to go to your lock screen, and here is your Precipitation widget on your lock screen. Tapping on that will allow you to open up the weather widgets with more information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.